the 2013 Cadillac CTS. This two-door, four-passenger coupe just recently passed the 50,000-kilometer mark. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include power front seats, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated door mirrors, and much more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.